this video, you're going to see how to install a pre-cut piece of headlight protection film using tools and material from Rvinyl. The first step is to remove the headlight protection film from the package and lay it flat on a table so it can relax before install. Also note that in the package there's a voucher as well as an Rvinyl quick guide that corresponds with this video. The first step is to clean the headlights. Use Rapid Prep, as it's very effective removing dirt and oil from surfaces. Spray the area thoroughly, then wipe it down with a highly absorbent microfiber towel. The next step is to spray the headlight with Rapid Tac. Rapid Tac is a very good slip solution which will help the piece slide and glide across the surface. Now remove the liner from the pre-cut piece of headlight protection film and spray the adhesive side as well. Remove the liner in increments. Now carefully place it on the headlight, being sure not to put the fingers on the adhesive side. It's very important to align one side first. Using two hands, get it in the right position, then spray the top surface, double check alignment, then once it's in the right position, keep one hand on the film and then with another, squeegee it onto the surface. This will lock it in place. And to ensure that it doesn't shift while the other side is stretched into position, squeegee multiple times to ensure that all the Rapid Tac is out from underneath the film. Now stretch towards the other corner. Because this is a pre-cut piece, by stretching to the other corner, all the tension in the middle will go flat. Lock this side in position once it aligns perfectly to all the edges and the corner. Then squeegee in the middle of the piece to separate it top and bottom. Now squeegee out from the middle, being sure to press firmly and use overlapping squeegee strokes. Try to use the buffer side, which has a monkey strip. It's thin and is highly absorbent, so it'll suck up any Rapid Prep once it gets to the edge. The goal is to make sure that there is no Rapid Prep underneath this piece so it secures firmly to the surface. It's always very important to finish strong, and the first step in doing this is to wipe the headlight area with a microfiber towel to remove any moisture from the surface area. And now it's important to double check that there's no moisture left underneath the headlight protection film. Be extra thorough during this process, working in increments and always using a combination of the squeegee and the microfiber towel. Now it's time for the other headlight, and the steps are exactly the same. Clean, spray it with the Rapid Tac so it slides and glides, lock it on one side, stretch to the other side, align, then squeegee in the middle. Use firm, overlapping squeegee strokes to apply one half, then repeat the exact same steps for the other side. And then to finish, wipe the surface down with a highly absorbent microfiber towel, then double check underneath to see if there's any moisture left behind and squeegee it out. And here's a shot of the final result. And as you can see, using these tips and tricks from the Rap Institute, as well as great tools and material from Rvinyl, installing pre-cut headlight protection film on your vehicle is easy and straightforward.